Hello and welcome to Fahmina's Creation. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these gorgeous star shapes. Let's start then. For this project I used a decay yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. At first I started with a magic circle. Those of you who don't know how to create magic circle, you can watch my other tutorial on that. It would be showing on the top right hand corner of the screen now. After creating the magic circle, I'll put the hook through the magic loop and start row 1 by creating 3 chain spaces. After that, I will create 14 double crochet in the same magic loop. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. If you have already subscribed me, please like and share this video with your friends and family. So we have created 15 double crochet inside the magic loop. Now we are going to slip stitch with the third chain from the first 3 chain spaces of this row. Now I'm just going to stretch the loose end from the magic loop so that there be no gaps in between. You can do it in a later stage or at the end of the project. Let's start the second row now. We'll start by creating 5 chain spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after creating 5 chain spaces, we are going to skip the first chain space from the hook, and on the second chain space from the hook we are going to create slip stitch. Then we'll go to the next chain space and we are going to create a single crochet. We are going to go to the next stitch now and going to create a half double crochet. And finally we are going to go to the last chain space and going to create a double crochet. So we have created one end of the star, one side of the star. Then we'll skip 2 chain spaces and do a slip stitch on the third chain space. So this is one side of the star, you can see from our work. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps for 4 more times to create 5 sides of the stars. So I'm going to show you one more time. 5 chain spaces, then skip 1, and in the next one do a slip knot, and the next one do a single crochet, go to the next chain and create a half double crochet, and in the last chain spaces create a double crochet. Skip 2 chain spaces and in the third one do a slip stitch. Just carry on doing it until you have got 5 sides of this star. After finish crocheting all 5 sides, just skip 2 chains and slip stitch to finish off the project. That's it, your crochet star shapes is ready. I'm going to use it for a buntings that I'm creating for my daughter's birthday. Let me know in the comment sections what other ways you are going to use this crochet star. I'm just going to frog the loose end now so that it is not on display. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope you enjoyed making this crochet star shape with me. Just subscribe and press the bell button for more videos like this. Bye now. Take care.